Okay, this is the lip. Rihanna did it again. Am I shocked? No. Am I broke? Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a full face using the new Fenty summer collection, Beach Please. I have the Summer Days and Summer Nights, the two eye shimmers, and the Sangria Sunset and Mimosa Sunrise Kilowatt Foil. I only took this one because I felt like the other ones would have made me look ashy. I didn't know how to set that up, but maybe I could, purchase them and use them for my eyes or something. But I'll be using these products to show you guys. I'm very excited, and I already have primer on, and I did my eyebrows off camera, so we're just gonna go right into it. I'm gonna use the Fenty foundation in 400. Okay. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute while I get my concealer. With the concealer, I use the color Latte, and I pair the Fenty concealer and I put it under my eye and let it sit a bit, just because it's a bit dry. And just on top of that, I use my LA Pro Girl concealer in Fawn, and I mix those two together. Okay, now I'm gonna warm up a bit with Bobbi Brown. Bobbi Brown's bronzer in the color Deep, number 4. I just want to let you guys know that I am not a beauty guru, as you guys can see. This is just for Rihanna. Now I'm going to take the Kilowatt Foil, the moment that you guys have all been waiting for. This is what it looks like. Of course, I have makeup on it. Okay, I'm going to use the orange one and put it all over my lids. The pigment is phenomenal. Like, this is it for the summer. If you don't have it, again, I am not a makeup guru. I don't even know if I'm blending this in correctly, guys. This is just for Robin Fenty. I'm going to take the pink and put it under my eyes. Next, I'm going to take the eye shimmers. I don't know where to put the eye shimmers, but I'm just going to swatch them and show you guys. This is Summer Fling and Rainbow. I don't think it has a smell, really. The first one is Summer Fling and the second one is Rainbow. It's very chocolatey and it's really cute. I can't really explain it. It's a bit wet, but I feel like it'll get dry. But I'm gonna see if I can put rainbow. Should I do rainbow? Hold on. I'm opening the next one, and I'm going to put that one. I'm going to swatch that one for you guys, providing I can open the package. This one is Mamacita and Teeny Teeny. So the first one here is Teeny Teeny. Ooh, this one is giving me Xenon Z3 holographic vibes. I don't know if you guys saw that movie on Disney Channel. This is really nice. They smell. I think I'm going to take Mamacita and put it in the corners of my eyes. Next, we are going to do lashes. I'm going to do that off camera because it's not a good scene. So I'll be right back. Next, I'm going to put a little blush on my face, a little blush, a little highlight, and we're gonna see how that looks. Okay. And I'm gonna use Sangria Sunset, and okay. Now do you guys see that? Wow, okay. Do you guys see that? Okay. Like let's do this side. This is phenomenal. I'm gonna put some in the bridge of my nose. Ooh. Girl. After I put the highlight, I know you guys can see that. I know you guys can. It's phenomenal. I think that everyone should have this in the summer. You can even you can even drag this to the fall. You know, this is a must-have. I don't care what anyone says. This one is a must-have. I don't know about the others. Next is my favorite. I'm going to do the lippies. The next are the lippies, and I'm really excited about that one. But first, I love this look. I love this look. Okay, so let me get so first we are going to do Summer Nights. We're gonna do Summer Nights first. Let's look at it. We're gonna do Summer Nights. And this is the packaging, of course. This is what it comes in. And I'm going to try Snake Skin first. I like the smell. Ooh, okay. Okay. I'm getting a bit of holographic vibes from all of them. Like, does Rihanna ever disappoint? Like, does she ever disappoint? Oh, and you know when you take off lip glosses or lipsticks, they leave your lips feeling ashy. My lips still feel a bit moist and moisturized afterwards, so I don't have that ashy, dry lip. Unless that's just the type of girl I am, unless it's just me and my lips. I don't know about you guys, but you know, I'm still here, still feeling good. This one is called Mermaid Thighs. And ooh, ooh, okay. I really like the color, but where would I wear this? It doesn't feel sticky. You know how sometimes you have lip glosses or lipsticks that have that, they give you that white residue around the mouth. I don't think, no, it's not like that. Last one, and the last one is the one that she had in her Vogue video, the they create, and I hope it looks as good on me as it did on her. I mean, you know, it may look different because obviously it's Rihanna, but listen. Oh wow. The lip, this lip, I'm wearing this everywhere. I'm wearing this everywhere. I am wearing this everywhere. This lip, like, I don't think you guys can, like, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in, because this is the lip. This is the lip of the summer. It's Vacray. This, okay, this is the lip. Rihanna did it again. Am I shocked? No. Am I broke? Yes. My lips have yet to feel dry. I keep telling you guys. Rihanna is that girl. This is Summer Days. And I think for my look today, I'm going to do bilingual, the gold one. But I'm gonna try that on last. This color, I wasn't too crazy about it. It's when I saw it, because I felt like I don't want it to look, I just don't want to look crazy, like an alien or something like that. Like there are some colors that I felt like I could not pull off, but this one is called Single. So let's see how that looks. You know, I thought, wow, okay. The Bayesian woman jumped out. It's crazy. The next one is Ready to Mingle. Girl! Okay. This is gorgeous. I'd even put it on my top lip. This is the lip. This is the lip. Listen, guys. Rihanna is this kind of matches the highlight. Listen. I want you guys to really see, like, I wonder if she's gonna come up with like color mascara. That would be a great, like, you know, red mascara or yellow. That would be another cool idea. And Rihanna, if you happen to stumble upon this video and you happen to like that idea, feel free to contact me to be in your next campaign. But the last one that I'm trying, this is bilingual. This is another, like, it's so pretty. Like you would think that when you look at the lips, the lip color, like the lip gloss, it's gonna be like bright orange, like on my lip, and it's gonna look crazy. But it's very seamless, very thin. The pigment comes out, but it's like very subtle. Like it just, ooh, look at this. Ah, look at that. You feel me? This is the color I'm wearing for the rest of the evening. 3. I need to have a talk with 3. This collection is amazing. I rated a 10 out of 10. You know, I think out of everything, what I was most excited for were the eye shimmers, but I didn't put them on my lid too much, only in the corners of my eye. But I feel like the eye shimmers cannot hurt anyone. I mean, they're eye shimmers. I think it would look good on everyone. They're universal colors, amazing. The highlight is a must. If you don't have the highlight in the summer, you just get the highlight. You're gonna be left out. The lips, my favorite set. I don't even have a favorite set because when this first came out, I initially wanted the bakery that she had in the video and then the bilingual. I did not know that the other colors were gonna look phenomenal on me, but I'm not surprised. But I love it. I love it. I love everything about it. Let me show the shoulder once again. Even with my robe, it's still showing. So I'm going to speak like this for the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little Fenty Beauty collection review. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Comment, let me know your favorite lippies. If you purchased anything in the collection already, your favorite lippies, your favorite eye shimmer, and overall what you like about the collection. Post pictures and tag Fenty, not for my pictures, but you know, for yourselves, obviously. And yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.